New year, new you, not just for the gym, but for organizing your life. Look who's here, our organizing expert, Vicki Norris. Now, Vicki, this must be a popular time of year for you.
Oh yeah, January's Get Organized month, Molly, and everybody's thinking about their resolutions, and getting organized is always at the top of the list. So today, I want to talk about how we can trade in the idea of resolutions for daily rhythms. It's a kinder, gentler way to achieve your goals.
I like that. Okay, so what do you mean by daily rhythms?
Okay, so daily rhythms are going to help you kind of create an infrastructure for your life that creates some flow and some margin. Imagine that. Whereas resolutions are really about deprivation and forcing yourself to do something.
True.
Yeah, so what you want to do is you want to start with creating some weekly rhythms. Now, I'm a professional organizer, and even I have to manage my calendar like a boss because I'm a mom, I'm a homeschooler, as well as a business owner. So I have to have those intentional weekly rhythms to even just manage my life. And it actually creates not only that flow, but it helps me protect what matters most.
Okay, so after weekly, what do we have?
Okay, so here's how to do this. Okay. We've got a picture here of this giant piece of paper and all these little Post-it notes. And this is my way of mapping out a successful week. And so what I did is I just took individual Post-it notes and I put all my little commitments on each one. And this was personal and professional, relational, marital, spiritual, all of them. And then I just kind of worked them into different days of the week. This is an awesome mind mapping technique so that people can figure out what works for them, and then you just got to test drive it.
Okay, I like it that you can kind of move them around too, because they're Post-it notes.
They're Post-it notes, so as you're planning, this is how you do it. And then once you have that master imprint, Molly, now you can zoom in on the actual individual days, and that's where you want to start by creating morning margin. Because I don't know about you, but I feel stressed out and kind of behind if I don't have a good morning.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, and the way you do that is, well, you kind of have to get up a little bit earlier. Give yourself that sort of alone time of reflection. Make the bed, stretch out, whatever it is that's going to help you feel like you're launching into your day without insanity.
Always good. Always good.
Okay, then you want to bookend your day by creating some evening care and connection. And this is both for yourself and your family. So create that margin in your schedule to maybe get off screens at a certain time. We like to read as a family in the evening time, maybe set a bedtime. Just those evening rhythms and routines can really help you successfully launch in the next day.
Okay.
Yeah, and then finally what you want to do is you want to prep those launch spaces. So your closet, your kitchen, those are key spaces to help you have a good next day. So you want to reset your clothes, Molly, and choose your outfit for the next day. Maybe start the dishwasher, clear the counters, but give yourself your best chance for success the next day by having your launch spaces ready.
Okay, and this works for you, and you are unsurprisingly the most organized person I know. So if it works for you, maybe if we implement it, we could be more like you.
You know what? This is seriously a near and dear to my heart topic, Molly, because trying to manage it all is impossible unless you really manage your calendar and create those rhythms that honor you instead of being stressed out all the time. So this is the way I build the life that I really want, and you can too.
I love it. And you have all these tips online for us, right?
Yep, free tip sheet available.
Awesome. Thank you, Vicki. And of course, to learn more about Vicki's great organizing work, just head to our website, kptv.com/moregdo for a link to her page.